Good morning, students. As in previous video, I started the chapter The Happy Prince, in which I told you the prince was very happy while he was alive, and he was very kind-hearted. And after his death, his statue was prepared, and it was established on a tall column in the city. And a little swallow, a bird who was going to Egypt, he sat between the feet of that statue to spend the night, but when he felt a drop of water on his body, then second drop, then third drop, he looked up and found that the statue was weeping, the happy prince was weeping, and he stayed there, and the happy prince ordered him to take out the ruby from the hilt of his sword and to give it to the seamstress whose son was suffering, whose son was ill, and he was asking for an orange, but she had nothing to give him. Now students, I will teach you further. Now open your book, all of you. See page number 30, above side. See, I am waited for in Egypt, said the swallow. My friends are flying up and down in the Nile. Nile is the name of a river in Egypt. I am talking to the large lotus flower, soon they will go to sleep. Now, when the happy prince requested the little swallow to stay that night and to take out the ruby from the hilt of his sword and to give it to the seamstress to help her, then the little swallow stayed there, and little swallow also told him. Little swallow told the prince that he was awaited in Egypt as his friends had gone 6 weeks ago. The prince asked the swallow to stay with him for one night and be his messenger. The boy is so thirsty and the mother so sad, he said. I don't think I like boys, answered the swallow. I want to go to Egypt. When the happy prince requested the swallow to stay that night and to help the seamstress by giving the ruby, then the little swallow said that he was awaited in Egypt and he did not like the boys. But the happy prince looked so sad that the little swallow was sorry. It is very cold here, he said, but he agreed to stay with him for one night and be his messenger. But at last when the little swallow saw that the happy prince was sad, then he accepted to stay there and to help the mistress. Now for the scene. Thank you, little swallow, said the prince. The swallow picked out the great ruby from the prince's sword and flew away with it in his beak over the roofs of the town. And as the happy prince had ordered the little swallow to take out the ruby from his hilt of the sword, then the little swallow took out the ruby and he flew over the roof of the town. He passed the cathedral tower, cathedral is church. The little swallow flew over the roofs, over the cathedral tower, where the white marble angels were sculptured, and in that top tower the white angels were sculptured. White angels were made by inscribing the stone. He passed by the palace and heard the sound of dancing. A beautiful girl came out on the balcony with her lover. He saw that a dancing girl came out with her lover. I hope my dress will be ready in time for the state ball, she said. I have ordered flowers to be embroidered on it, but the seamstresses are so lazy. He passed over the river and saw the lanterns hanging on the mast of the ship. Mast means poles. Mast means poles. P-O-L-E-S. Students, we have seen on the mast or on the ship or on the boat, masts are used. The poles are there. Yes. Now, he passed over the river and saw the lanterns hanging on the mast of the ship. The little swallow saw that the lanterns were hanging on the mast of the ship. At last he came to the poor woman's house and looked in. The boy was tossing furiously on his bed. Tossing is rolling. The boy was rolling as he was in, so he was rolling. The boy was rolling. The son of that seamstress was rolling in the bed. And the mother had fallen asleep, and the seamstress now had slept. She was so tired. In he hopped and laid the great ruby on the table. Laid means put, kept. Laid means kept or put. The little swallow put the ruby on the table. Now he laid the great ruby on the table beside the woman's thimble. Thimble is a type of object that is used to wear in the finger while sewing the clothes. Now the little swallow put the ruby on the table near the thimble of the woman. Then he flew gently round the bed, fanning the boy's forehead with his wings, and he began to fly, and he fanned with his wings. How should I feel, said the boy. I must be getting better. And he sank into a delicious slumber. Slumber means sleep. Right? Slumber means sleep. The boy felt cold and he slept. Now, followed with him, how could I feel, said the boy. I must be getting better. And he sank into a delicious slumber. The boy was feeling comfort, cold not but comfort, and he slept. Then the swallow flew back to the happy prince and told him what he had done. Then the small swallow returned to the prince, and he told what he had done. It is curious, he remarked. It is very strange, surprising, but I feel quite warm now, although it is so cold. The little swallow said that he was feeling warm though it was cold. That is because you have done a good action, said the prince. And then the happy prince said that he had done a good thing by helping that seamstress. And the little swallow began to think and then fell asleep. The little swallow was thinking this and he slept at last. Thinking always made him sleepy. When day broke, he flew down to the river and had a bath. Tonight I go to Egypt, said the swallow, and he was in a high feeling at the prospect. Prospect means expectation. Expectation. It was his expectation that he would go to Egypt. He visited all the monuments and sat a long time on top of the church steeple. Steeple means tower. Tall tower. Steeple means tall tower. Now the little swallow was flying, and then he sat on the tall tower of the church. When the moon rose, he flew back to the happy prince, and when it was night, the moon was shining. Then again he went to the happy prince. Have you any commission for Egypt? Commission means order. Commissions, order. Order. The little swallow was asking the prince if he had any order to Egypt. For Egypt, he cried, I am just starting. And saying this, little swallow was ready to fly and to go to Egypt. In this way, students, you have studied how the happy prince requested the little swallow to stay one night more there, as he wanted to help the seamstress whose son was suffering, whose son was ill. And at last the little swallow agreed, and he stayed there, and he took out the ruby the hit of the sword of the happy prince, and he took it to the woman's house, seamstress house, and he had given it, he had put it on the table, and he returned back to the happy prince, and again he said that he was ready to go to Egypt. Students, further I will teach you next day. Thank you.